exploring the world one bite at a time, the ultimate food and travel adventure. Food lovers and adventurers, imagine this: the sizzle of skewers on a bustling street in Bangkok, or the aroma of fresh croissants wafting through a Parisian patisserie. Food is more than nourishment, it's a gateway to understanding cultures, histories, and traditions. Behind every dish is a story waiting to be discovered. Traveling to new destinations allows us to step into that story, tasting the heart and soul of communities along the way. Each bite becomes a memory, a connection to far off lands and the people who call them home. Forget tourist traps. The real magic happens where the locals gather. Picture yourself seated at a tiny cafe on a cobblestone street in Lisbon, sipping a rich, creamy bucca, or savoring tacos al pastor from a food truck in Mexico City, packed with bold, authentic flavors. Adventure starts with curiosity. Wander farmers markets, chat with street vendors, or take a local food tour. These hidden gems hold the key to tasting authenticity. Regional dishes packed with passion, history, and love. Let your taste buds uncover the secrets of every destination. If adventure had a flavor, it would be street food. Colorful, chaotic, and endlessly satisfying. Imagine the crunch of a freshly fried samosa in India, or the first fiery bite of pad thai cooked to perfection on a bustling Bangkok street corner. Street food tells a place's story better than any guidebook. It's budget-friendly, diverse, and always an adventure. Be bold. Try something new. From steaming dumplings in Taiwan to crispy arepas in Colombia, street-side dining guarantees an unforgettable culinary memory at every stop. Great food starts with great ingredients. Imagine the joy of biting into a sun-ripened tomato plucked straight from a Sicilian farm, or sampling fresh coconut water from a Caribbean market stall. Local, fresh ingredients bring the true flavor of a region to life. Support local economies by choosing farm-to-table dining experiences. Visit vineyards, cheesemakers, or spice farms to see where the magic begins. Watching ingredients come to life through local expertise adds depth and meaning to every meal and every journey. Food isn't the only thing on the menu. Pair every meal with adventure. Envision enjoying a sushi picnic under cherry blossoms in Japan, or tackling a fresh seafood feast after a day of snorkeling in the Maldives. Delicious meals taste better when paired with unforgettable moments. Adventures can be as simple as hiking to a mountaintop cafe in Switzerland, or savoring fresh tagine after a camel trek in Morocco's desert. Let food and exploration work together, creating memories that mix adrenaline and amazing flavors into one incredible journey. Why stop at tasting when you can learn to make the dishes yourself? Sign up for a hands-on cooking class with local chefs and uncover age-old secrets. Master the art of kneading the perfect Neapolitan pizza dough or seasoning curry like a pro in India. These experiences extend the journey beyond your trip. Take these newfound skills home and recreate them to relive your adventures whenever you desire. Cooking becomes a beautiful reminder of the places you've been and the people who inspired your passion for cuisine. Food is the ultimate language of connection. Sitting at a communal table, surrounded by both strangers and friends, often creates the most cherished travel moments. Whether it's a hearty feast at a Greek taverna or a small homemade meal in a countryside family home, food unites us. Every shared meal is a chance to exchange stories, traditions, and laughs. It's the universal way to embrace community, bridging cultural gaps easily. Through cuisine, barriers fall, and what's left is an appreciation for the beautiful diversity of our world. Starting your food and travel journey is easier than you think. Begin by researching your destination's cuisine. Identify local dishes you want to try and the best spots to find them, whether it's famous restaurants or humble street carts. Pack your courage along with your passport. Step outside your comfort zone and say yes to unfamiliar flavors. Document your food adventure, whether it's through photos, videos, or a journal, and let your journey inspire others to explore the world bite by bite. Now it's time to turn your cravings into action. Plan your next trip, pick a destination that excites your taste buds, and let the flavors guide your adventure. Food has the power to connect us, inspire us, and take us places we've never dreamed of. Subscribe to our channel for more foodie travel insights Share this video with your fellow adventurers and tell us your favorite food travel destination in the comments below. The world is full of flavors, just waiting for you to explore. So pack your bags, grab your fork, and let's dig in.